Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we are going to take a look at how to search for fires. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. Right now we are in the media feature and we can see over here the search items field. We can search in the current folder or in all folders. And then all that we have to do is write over here the title of the image, the name of the image, or some part of the name. Then we can press on enter or click over here on this magnifying glass. And we can see our image over here. By going on this folder over here, the image is not in this folder, so we cannot see it. But if I'm changing this to all folders, I can once again see the image, even though I am in this folder, in the summer food folder, and this image is part of the My Media folder. As we can see over here, saved in My Media. So this is how we can use these settings over here, the current folder or all folders. So you basically just have to search by the name of the image or a part of the name of the image. Until next time.